Hey guys, Little Collector 27, and I'm here on my bed, and I'm watching Shake It Up, because they're not boss. Yeah, I'm bored, and there's no, well, no, I'm not really bored. I have a dead computer. Yeah, it's charging. It's charging. So yeah, it's charging. Oh, hi, me. Yeah, you're looking good. Okay. So yeah, I just got back from Popcorn Extravaganza, which is a new store that opened a couple blocks away from me. Pretty cool. So yeah, I got lemon pepper, and then my mom made her world famous limeade, and then she's also making brownies. So yeah, let's go check on them. Sorry, my mom was right there. I was like, get out. No. There they are. They're in there. Oh, they look delicious. Oh, yeah, only 26 minutes left. Oh, yeah. I was drinking from that cup yesterday. Oh, and look at that. Oh, yeah. Look at that. Oh, yeah. Fifth place. Fifth place. Fifth place. You bet your buns I got fifth place. I'm in the 7th grade, not the 8th. That was like a little mistake. But yeah, let's go back upstairs. Oh, like a boss. I hate your show so much. Hey, I just F'd you. And it was crazy. Delete my number and keep the baby. Yeah. Turn this fan on. Is that as fast as you can go? That's what she said. Is it on low? Oh, turn it on high. So yeah. Towards me. Oh yes. Oh yes, that feels so good. That's what she said. I haven't finished watching these videos yet. Yeah, reading this magazine. As always. Oh god, I hate you. Oh, I like Marvel. Okay, yeah, this fan's making too much noise. Damn. Okay. Oh. Oh, say bye. Bye.